Originally built as a royal hunting lodge, the Chateau de Versailles was transformed by King Louis XIV into one of the largest and most opulent palaces in Europe. An easy day trip from Paris, the Chateau de Versailles is a must for visitors. The cheapest and easiest way to get to Versailles is by Paris RER train. Here's a step-by-step guide for getting from Paris to Versailles. But first, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And don't forget to ring the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Located 16 miles outside of central Paris, the Chateau de Versailles is an easy 45-minute train ride on the Paris RER Sea Line. The RER regional trains radiate their routes from central Paris Zone 1 to the far outskirts. There are 5 zones altogether. Versailles is located in Zone 4. There are 5 RER lines, A, B, C, D, and E. To get to the Chateau de Versailles, you'll want to get on the C line and head to Versailles Chateau Rive Gauche. Warning, not all C line trains end up at Versailles Chateau Rive Gauche, so pay close attention to the monitors you will see on the platform. They will give you valuable information such as how many minutes left until your train arrives and also if you're on the right platform. Now for step-by-step details from getting from central Paris to the Chateau de Versailles. Step 1. Make your way to the nearest metro station. Step 2. Purchase your train ticket to Versailles. Destination Versailles Rive Gauche from either a ticket office or from a green automatic ticket machine. Pro tip. Purchase round-trip tickets so you will not have to wait in line at the end of the day to buy a return ticket. Note, you will be given 2 tickets per person, 1 ticket for the trip to the chateau and 1 ticket for your return to Paris. Once you've activated the first ticket, don't confuse the two. Step 3. Locate a metro map. Most guidebooks have a metro map in them, where you can always find one on a metro station wall. You want to find on the map stations that service both RER C line trains and the metro. Some of the main stations within central Paris that service both are Champ de Mars, Tour Eiffel, Invalides, Musée d'Orsay, and Saint-Michel Notre Dame. Remember, you are heading to Versailles Rive Gauche. Step 4. Now that you know what station you need to head for, time to enter the metro. Insert and retrieve your ticket to pass through the turnstile and make your way to the appropriate metro line that will take you to the metro RER station. Step 5. Once you've arrived at the metro RER station, exit the metro train, but not the station, and follow the signs to the platform for RER C, Versailles Chateau Rive Gauche. Step 6. Once you arrive at the RER C platform, check the video screen on the platform to find the number of minutes remaining before your train's arrival. The topmost train on the list is the one arriving next or is currently at the platform. Remember, many trains use these platforms. Make sure you get on the one going to Versailles Chateau Rive Gauche. Sometimes Rive Gauche will be abbreviated as Versailles Chateau RG or Versailles Chat. Step 7. Once your train arrives on the platform, double check it is the correct train. Board the train and take a seat. Be aware of your surroundings and your belongings. The trip to Versailles is approximately 40 minutes. A round-trip ticket will cost €7.10. Step 8. Once you've arrived at Versailles Chateau Rive Gauche, exit the train and the station. Note, you'll need your train ticket, the one you used to board the train in Paris, to exit the station. It is a 10-minute walk to the entrance to the palace. Enjoy your day at Versailles, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And remember to ring the notification bell. Till next time, happy and safe travels.